Hey my peeps, welcome back to A Unique Journey. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Now today we're gonna go ahead and do some banana bread. Now we're gonna just cream the butter and the sugar. This. It's best to get your butter at room temperature when you're baking, and also the eggs. And now we're just going to pour the granulated sugar, white sugar, all right, and some milk. Let's go ahead and mash these bananas. Okay. And that's it. Now we're just gonna add the mashed bananas. Get this to the cream butter. We're gonna crack 2 eggs. I like to crack the eggs in a separate bowl because I don't want any surprise. When add the 2 eggs to the mixture, we're gonna add some vanilla extract. And then, oops, I'm gonna use mixer again. So to do the dry ingredients, we're gonna sieve some flour, and a way how you can measure your flour is to use a spoon and spoon it in the measuring cup, and then use a dinner knife and just level it off. Because sometimes when you put the measuring cup directly in the container with the flour, it takes up too much flour, and that sometimes will mess up your baking time and mess up the proportion with the wet and the dry. Sometimes, you know, some people say, oh, it's too thick when you mix it, the wet and the dry together, too thick, and that can cause it too. So what I do is to use a spoon and just measure it out in the measuring cup and then level it off, and that will give you the right measurement. Okay, we're just gonna sieve the flour. And in the flour, we're going to add some baking powder, some baking soda, come on baking soda, some salt, some nutmeg, and this is optional. I have some mixed spice. We're just gonna pour the wet into the dry ingredients. Once you're finished mixing everything together, you could just bake it like this, or you could add some nuts. I have here some pecans. You could add some walnuts or whatever choice you have at home. This is some pecans. I chopped them up, and I'm just gonna add them to the, okay, and that's it. And then you just fold them in, you know, just fold them in. If you don't like nuts, then fine, don't add no nuts. If you're allergic, don't add no nuts. And that's it. And then once that is folded in properly, we're just gonna add it to the baking pan, and we're just gonna pour it in. Now we're just gonna bake this at 350 for about 50 to about 60 minutes. Okay, so this is the finished product. Your banana bread. I'm just gonna go ahead and slice it up for you to see, and then we'll be back. So there you have it, banana bread. Thank you so much for watching another episode from A Unique Journey. Please subscribe to my channel, I appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye.